Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm just in another trade here on gold again. I'm looking for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. I took the account to 507, just over $500 now, making just over 200. It's fluctuating around 200, seems to be dipping a bit now. So I'm just basically using the same strategy that I showed you guys the other day. If you look at my last video, and yeah, I'm just hoping this trade plays out properly now. It's quite a risky trade, but I really like the setup. Risking $200 to make 400. So that's basically a 1 to 2, sorry. And divergence on the stochastic. Beautiful divergence on the stochastic over here. As you can see, price was plummeting down all the way from the top here. And I'm just targeting the middle of today's range. So if we look at the 15-minute, I'm just targeting roughly the middle of the day's range. I don't want to target the top of the range. Today I'm just going for a realistic target that I'm just more comfortable with. So let's see how this trade plays out. I'm using Vantage Markets. You can see how unbelievably narrow the spread is. 18 pips. 18 micro pips, basically. So I'm just going to protect my profits quickly. I'm just going to move my stop up to break even, just in front of break even. Just quickly protect that protect that entry. So now the trade is risk free, basically like this. There's no more risk on the table. Well, actually just above that. This isn't TradingView, this is MetaTrader, so it's difficult to use that risk reward tool. Yeah, so we're up $240. Beautiful trade. So if you guys are interested in this strategy, look at the comments down below. There'll be a pinned comment. All you have to do is sign up with this broker, and then I'll give you the strategy for free. A lot of guys, so you're benefiting both ways. You're signing up with a really good quality broker who have partnered with Ferrari and who are involved with Ferrari, and just a broker that's been around for ages. Your withdrawals come within a day or two. Hardly slippage the broker conditions are amazing. Hardly any slippage, like literally zero slippage. Spreads are super tight. You can see the spread on gold is razor thin. Look how thin that is on the 1 minute time frame. It's unbelievable, guys. Most brokers won't give you a spread like that on gold. So just the conditions here are really nicely set up for day trading gold. So what I could do now as well is I could take a sell just to protect those profits, and then let price go down, for example. So let me just show you what I mean. I could protect these profits by doing this, right? I could go in for a sell. Now I'm hedged, so these profits, you'll see now I'm in a buy and a sell. So now that $214 is locked in. So if price retraces, that will mean I can release that sell at a profit, and then hopefully the price continues to go up. Some people will quite often be in profits, and then they won't lock in those profits, and price will reverse and go back to their entry. But sometimes I do this because, as you can see now, both of these trades are in profit. Sometimes it can be a bit confusing to do, a little bit difficult to do, but because you either want to hold trades to your target, or you can lock in those profits, because price may retrace, maybe for example back down to here, and then reverse back up, and then at least my profits are locked in, so I don't lose. Well, as price goes back up, I'll make even more profit on this trade. So let's just see what happens, guys. I'll keep you informed. Okay guys, I'm back. So as you can see, price went on to hit target, but before that, as you can see, that's the reason why I hedged in that sell, because price came all the way down after I took that sell hedge, tapped break even, and went back up to hit the target. So that hedging technique when you're in profit is pretty handy to use, just to lock in profits so that you don't have to waste all this profit coming back down. So what I ended up doing was, as price came down, I closed out the buy. I closed out the sell in profit. Then I had the buy carry on running, and then it went all the way up, but I closed at about almost where originally I had taken the sell, so around this level. So I almost made double on the trade. So that's just a technique you can use that I wanted to show you guys, just to lock in profit sometimes instead of giving all those profits back. You can still have your stop loss in the same place and everything like that. That won't change. It's just now your targets will be a little bit different. But as you can see, perfect trade from the bottom here. Nice divergence on the stochastic. Then it hit the bands, reversed from the other side for a nice scalp down if you had missed the buy. Then a beautiful buy from the bottom now, from the other side of the bands to the top. Now we didn't get price action for a sell here, and currently we don't have nice price action for a sell, so that's why no sells have been taken. But I'm only looking to take 1 or 2 trades a day that are profitable. But anyway guys, if you want this strategy, then click on the link in the comment section down below and I'll teach it to you there. All you have to do is sign up with Vantage, and then we'll open up a live account with Vantage Markets, and you'll be trading in the same conditions as me. Very tiny, tight spreads, as you can see on the 1 minute time frame. Check how tiny that spread is. Unbelievably tight spreads. On the 15 minute, you can see it's a razor sharp spread. So this strategy works best on the 5 minute and 1 minute, but I'm primarily using it on the 5 minute. But anyway guys, I'll take you on the journey of me still growing this account up and showing you more trades, and we'll take it from there guys. Hope you have a great week ahead. Peace.